That little shot was loaded with immunity boosting antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and so much more. I recommend taking one little shot every morning to boost your immunity. But before I go ahead and tell you the recipe, here is a disclaimer.
This might not be the cure to coronavirus, but it is a way to boost your immunity and keep you safer.
Make sure to put us in the credits.
Chefs here who have become pros in making this drink. So Samay, what do we have to do?
So the ingredients are turmeric root and ginger and lime. What you do is you grind the turmeric root and ginger and then you squeeze the lime separately. And when you're ready to drink it, you mix both of them together and then you drink it like you're having a shot.
Thank you, Samay. So I'm now going to introduce my other little chef, Shwasi, who's going to take over. What do we do next?
So now we have to put ginger root and we also have to put turmeric root into the blender.
Okay. And who will go ahead and squeeze the lime for me?
I think me and Samantha can do it together.
Okay. Take a look at both these roots. This is the ginger root and this is the turmeric root. From outside, they both look like ginger because turmeric actually comes from ginger family, but they have completely different sets of benefits.
So now I'm gonna grind this and my mom's gonna squeeze the juice out of this.
And I am going to squeeze the juice out of the lime. So here I'm using about 2.5 limes, 5 to 6 inches of ginger root and 5 to 6 inches of turmeric root, and that would be enough for my family for the next 3 to 4 days. And we just have to make sure, like Shwas mentioned, keep the lime juice separated from the ginger and turmeric juice. And when you're ready to have it every morning, just take 1 tablespoon of each and mix them up together for each shot. So basically each shot equals to 2 tablespoons of the immunity boost drink. This is what the ginger and turmeric paste looks like, and now I'm going to squeeze them to extract the juice. And once I extract the juice out of it, I save the pulp so I can use it in my cooking. I do not recommend extracting more than 3 to 4 days worth of juice because it stays fresh for about 3 to 4 days. So Shwas, tell us a little bit more about lemon or lime. Why do we use it in this concoction?
Did you know that lemons and limes are very high in vitamin C and they also absorb a lot of the iron you get in your food?
Oh, what about ginger?
Ginger helps with your digestion and it also helps with any ordinary cough and cold. Also, when I'm feeling sick, I eat a little bit of ginger and it helps me not throw up. It also adds a little zing to the drink.
And then of course we have turmeric added. Turmeric in Ayurveda has always been used as an anti-inflammatory. It is an antioxidant, so it is very good for your health in general. If you can't get the root, you can actually use the powder version of turmeric and it's equally beneficial. Make sure that you consume them raw first thing in the morning. We use these ingredients in everyday cooking, but the medicinal values of these ingredients when consumed raw are just tremendous. On that note, Shwas has a fun fact. What is it?
Did you know that ginger and turmeric are related and the yellow flesh of turmeric can stain your clothes? For example, my mom's finger.
I just touched it for a few minutes and that's what happens. So use this stuff carefully. Turmeric is a natural healer. It also contains magical nutrients, the kind that practically cast spell to keep you strong and healthy. The other two ingredients that I add if I'm already seeing some symptoms of cold or sore throat are honey and black pepper. Black pepper is used to activate the curcumin in turmeric. Whenever I start to feel like I'm coming down with something, I just make this immunity booster shot and get a little bit of rest. I've done this for years and whenever I have never really gotten like fully sick. I recover quickly. Now, honey is a rich antioxidant and it is often used to soothe sore throats. It adds that natural sweetness to your drink. The enzymes in raw honey keep the digestive system calm. Now, why does this work so well? Your gut is the center of your immune system and it is needless to explain why you need to... Thank you, Nana. And it is needless to explain why you need to keep this part of your body healthy. If it will not function properly, you may end up all weak and vulnerable to diseases. I wish all of you stay safe and take good care of yourself while you're staying home. Please try this immunity booster for a few days. It may take a few days for you to get used to it, but include it in your lifestyle to improve your health and immunity overall. I look forward to your thoughts and experience if you have already tried this or once you try it. Do share this video with your friends because this will be helpful for everyone, especially older people in your family as well as the young ones. Do subscribe to my channel Blush with me-Parmita because I make some helpful videos to empower your image every week. I post frequently on Instagram, so make sure you download Instagram if you don't have it already. And if you are there, then please follow me. I look forward to your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Let me know your experience. I will be here next week. Until then, blush with me.
Slam it down and go like
Don't do it right now. Okay, so see, here we go. Cheers. So this little drink here is
is loaded with minerals, vitamins, and